Joe Hopkins here again. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about different types of slides, because I know some people want to get into slide guitar, right? And there's a lot of different options out there, right? You can play slide guitar pretty much with anything that's metal, glass, even ceramic. And I've seen a lot of the old time blues guys like Mance Lipscomb and others play with the back of a pocket knife even. So, but I have a little selection of slides. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm using just your regular flat top acoustic guitar. Obviously you can play slide on electric guitar, and I've got several different resonators, a round neck and a square neck. I've got a lap steel, and obviously use slide for that, and with pedal steel. And I've even played slide on banjo and mandolin and all sorts of other instruments. I've even heard slide played on bass. But chances are this is what you're going to start out on. So I got an acoustic guitar tuned to open E, right? You can tune it however you want. Some people play slide in standard tuning. Some people play it I've played it a lot in G, D, A. It doesn't matter. I just got it in E because that's kind of what I already had it tuned to. I play in E a good bit these days. Used to play in G a lot when I was playing bluegrass, but E is as good as anything else, right? You can learn however you want. We're not teaching slide guitar, we're just going over the types of slides. So yeah, there are different kinds of slides. We'll start with glass, right? Now all the different types of slides, they make them in different sizes and lengths. You know, this is a nice long one. It covers all the strings pretty good. Owned this one for years. Just your Jim Dunlop glass slide. Show it to you in front of the camera there. They have, and when I say they got different lengths and whatnot, see, I have a shorter one too. It's a little bit shorter than this one. I'd prefer the longer one, honestly. So, glass tends to give you a nice clear tone. Now you can get slides that are smaller and fit on your pinky, or even use this one on your pinky. I tend to prefer my third finger, and usually I'll kind of mute the strings a bit with my first two fingers behind it, you know? You hear if you don't put your fingers down, rings out a little bit, you know, you get those. Tends to ring truer if you just rest your other two fingers on the strings behind the slide. But yeah, glass tends to give a pretty clear tone. Yeah, pretty good tone. Yeah, I like glass. I like glass slides. They sound good to me, right? So that's glass. That's one type. Let's get the next one. Got stainless steel, right? This is very similar to the slide I first started out with, right? My first slide was actually a socket. My dad had broken a socket, and it was about the same size as this. It just, the side of it broke off, so I'd put the broken side on the inside of my hand, or on the outside of my hand, and played with the good side, and that was my first slide. And stainless steel has a good sound. I like it. Right? That works just fine. Stainless steel. Yeah, if you kind of like that sound, you can get you a stainless steel slide. Next, I got brass. Also metal, and honestly you can use any kind of metal, right? But they make these little brass slides. Little brass tube, goes right there on your finger like the others. I find it gives a little bit warmer tone than stainless steel. You know what I mean? I like it. I like the way it sounds for certain things, and you might notice there's not that much of a difference in the way they sound. A lot of people will argue that, but all the slides sound very similar. Yeah, I find it does have a little bit of a warmer tone to me. Yeah, a little bit of a warmer, almost a little bit dirtier tone, I think. So, they also sell ceramic slides, same type as those. I don't actually have one, but a lot of people like ceramic slides. I haven't gotten around to getting one, but I'll show you the other type of slide. If you play lap steel, pedal steel, square neck resonator, or you just want to play a little bit differently, I got what's called a tone bar. See this? It's got kind of like a rounded metal end, and it's got these contoured sides on it so that it fits right there in your fingers, right? Kind of hold it just like that. Take that, lay your middle finger on top, your pointer and ring fingers around it, and there you go. And that's to play on your lap. And like I said, this I use this with my square neck resonator, which is designed to lay on your lap, but you can play any guitar like that, you know? Yeah, a little rusty at that, but if you want to try that kind of slide, this one's stainless steel, but I think they also make them in other types. Most of the tone bars I've seen are stainless steel. So that's yet another kind of slide you got, all right? So, I mean, if you want to learn to play slide guitar, there are a lot of different choices. A lot of different choices of slides, a lot of different choices of types of guitars and instruments, but those are the slides you got. Sorry I don't got a ceramic one for you. They sound a lot like glass, I've found. A little bit different, but very similar. So you can go on pretty much Amazon or anywhere else that sells slides, and a lot of times you can buy a kit with several different kinds of slides in it. You know, a lot of them have glass, stainless steel, and brass. And usually they'll include picks and like finger picks in the kit. But you know, tune your guitar to an open tuning or even regular tuning if you want. Get a slide and start learning. It ain't hard at all. And you know, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys around. Okay, love you. Bye bye.